Happy Thursday! It's Mrs. Ellis again. Today is a really fun lesson. So yesterday, remember how we learned all about composing big shapes using little shapes? Well, today is even more fun. You guys are going to get to go on that website that we went to yesterday, and you are going to get to compose. Compose means to build or make objects. It's so fun! It's so fun because you've done this already in kindergarten. And I know you don't have shapes at home, so that's why we're going to go back to that really fun website. And instead of building specific shapes, you guys are going to get to build objects. Look at this. We can use smaller shapes to make different objects. So like fish, an alligator, letters, a guy on a skateboard, even a pineapple. So cool. So, on that website, you can fill in the shapes that they already have pre-made for you, like these. If you press on this cool symbol right here, there's a whole bunch of different shapes, or you can make your own, just like I started doing. Ooh, let me go ahead and finish that up right now. Ooh, that looks good. I'm gonna change the color to green. Oh, I'm missing a petal. Oh, I need to turn that. There we go. This way. Now, I'll turn this a little so it's not hitting. There we go. I made a flower by myself. I didn't use the grid, but you guys, like I said, can either do your own thing. If you messed up or if you want to start over, you can press this button. Yep, and it'll clear all your work and you can start over. Just like yesterday, you can make them bigger or smaller. You can duplicate them and you can make any shapes you want. Actually, not any shapes you want, because here are some guidelines. Today, for your exit ticket, I want you to go back to that website that we were at yesterday, http://apps.mathlearningcenter.org, and then you can click on pattern shapes. Okay, so the first thing I want you to do is I want you to make an animal. Any animal you want. You can make a dog, you can make a cat. You can even pick from some of these. There's some animals here. I see a turtle, looks like a donkey maybe. Or you can build your own. So you need to make an animal, a form of transportation. So that transportation is like how you get around. So you can make a bike, you can make a train, a car, an airplane, a boat, right? Again, you can make it by yourself, or you can look on here. Here's a boat, here's a rocket ship, here's a car. And then the last thing, you get to make whatever you want. Any shape you want, you can fill it in, or you can create it yourself. I told you, today's lesson is going to be lots of fun. So, what are you waiting for? You can turn this video off, go play with your cubes, with your shapes at apps.mathlearningcenter.org. Don't forget to pick pattern shapes. I hope you have such a fun weekend. I'm going to call you tomorrow for your sight word test and to check out all the math work you did this week. Bye, Kipsters.